Good morning! Marami pong nagtatanong kung paano magpa-reserve ng house and lot. Here's Team Garnet to share it with you. Miss Pel, inquire in site tripping. Mag-inquire muna sa agent. Siguraduhin lang na legit ang agent para iwas scam. Then, site tripping para makita mo ang actual location, model house, at paligid ng project. Remember, location is important when choosing a home for your safety and the safety of your family.
Choose your unit. Maaari ka nang pumili ng unit na gusto mo. Pwede ang corner lot, inner lot, at syempre, ang end lot. Sa pagpili ng unit, importante na swak sa iyong budget.
Hi, and this is Anna from Team Garnet. Para naman sa reservation fee, kapag sure ka na sa unit na napili mo, magbabayad ka ng reservation fee para ma-hold ang unit na napili mo. Hindi na ito pwedeng kunin o ipa-reserve ng ibang buyer. Pero, depende sa developer. May mga developer na kailangan mo munang mag-submit ng initial requirements before ka magpa-reserve. Yung iba naman, pwedeng to follow na lang yung requirements after ng reservation. So, nandito kami na Team Garnet. At ito naman po, si Tere. Good morning! Submit your requirements. Magpapas ka ng basic requirements tulad ng valid IDs, proof of income, proof of billing, birth certificate, kung single or marriage, contract kung married, kung OFW ka naman, kailangan mo din ng job contract. Then, filled out buyer's information form. Ito ay para sa loan processing. After the reservation, just wait 30 to 45 days before you start paying your monthly equity. Short reminder lang, hindi po mahirap bumili ng bahay. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang guide at tamang agent like us. Kung may mga katanungan po kayo, message mo lang kami para ma-assist kayo from reservation hanggang turnover. This is Team Garnet. Let's make your dream home happen! Woo!